Ooh, my head covers a bit of the screen with this one, but that's just what happens. Ooh, it is a fucking good game. I do thoroughly enjoy it. It's been many a year since I've played it. Ooh.
Mandatory physical and mental wellness exercise.
Alright, I need to... Well, everything's being fuckered. Advanced. Oh.
You will
Hey, there we go.
When you hear the buzzer, look up at the ceiling. Good. You will hear a buzzer. When you hear the buzzer, look down at the floor. Good. This completes the gymnastic portion of your mandatory physical and mental wellness exercise. There is a framed painting on the wall. Please go stand in front of it. This is art. You will hear a buzzer. When you hear the buzzer, stare at the art. You should now feel mentally reinvigorated. If you suspect staring at art has not provided the required intellectual sustenance, reflect briefly on this classical music.
No, alright.
Now, please return to your bed.
Alright. Sleep. It's time for sleep.
Good morning. You have been in suspension for 9. This courtesy call is to inform you.
Anyone in there?
Oh, hello?
Oh, God. You look good. Looking good, actually. Are you okay? Are you? Don't answer that. I'm absolutely sure you're fine. There's plenty of time for you to recover. Just take it.
Please prepare for
Hey, it's
emergency
me.
evacuation.
Stay calm. Stay calm. Prepare. That's all I'm saying. Prepare. It's all fine. All right? Don't move. I'm going to get us out of here. Oh, you might want to hang on to
Well,
something.
goodbye.
Word of advice. Up to you.
Nah, I'm not gonna hold on to anything. That doesn't sound good.
Down there? Can you hear me?
No, I can't.
Hello?
I can't hear you. Oh.
Most test subjects do experience some cognitive deterioration after a few months in suspension. Now, you've been under for quite a lot longer, and it's not out of the question that you might have a very minor case of serious brain damage.
Ah,
Don't
okay,
be
yeah.
alarmed, all right? Although
You go get ready for work. Like, you are wonderful, loved, and just amazing. And I am so happy you are part of my life. You are wonderful. Love you, hun.
Just tell me, just say
Yeah.
yes. Okay, what you're doing there is jumping. You just jumped. But never mind. Say apple. Apple. Simple.
Yes.
Okay, you know what? That's close enough. Just hold
Hilarious. Wonderful.
All reactor core safeguards are now non-functional. Please prepare for reactor core meltdown.
I would like to leave.
Okay, look,
Oh, hello.
I wasn't going to mention this to you, but I'm in pretty hot water here. How you doing down there?
This seems mucho not goodo.
The reserve power ran out, so of course the whole relaxation center stops waking up the bloody test subjects. Hold on, this is a bit tricky. And of course, nobody tells me anything. No, why should you tell me anything? Why should I be kept informed? You know, about the life functions of the 10,000 bloody test subjects I'm supposed to be in charge of. Why? It's close. Can you see? Am I gonna make it through? Have I got enough space?
Yeah.
Just gotta get through here.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I just gotta
Yeah, see, perfect.
concentrate. And whose fault do you think it's gonna be when the management comes down here and finds 10,000 flipping vegetables? Alright, see, no, I hit that one.
I left big indent.
Okay, listen, we should get our story straight, alright? If anyone asks, and no one's gonna ask, don't worry, but if anyone asks, tell them as far as you know, the last time you checked, everyone looked pretty much alive. Alright? Not dead.
Yeah.
Okay?
Everyone is alive. What are you
On
talking
the other
about?
side of that wall is one of the old testing tracks. There's a piece of equipment in there that we're gonna need to get out of here. I
Come on.
think this is a docking station. Get ready.
Oh,
Good news.
good choice.
That is not a docking station. So there's one mystery solved. I'm going to attempt a manual override on this wall. Could get a bit technical. Hold on. Almost there. Remember, you're looking for a gun that makes holes, not bullet holes. But don't worry, you'll figure it out. Seriously, do hold on this time.
Hey, perfect.
Good luck.
There we go.
Hello, and again, welcome to the Aperture Science Enrichment Center. We are currently experiencing technical difficulties due to circumstances of potentially apocalyptic significance beyond our control. However, thanks to emergency testing protocols, testing can continue.
I'm going to lower it just a bit.
These pre-recorded messages will provide instructional
Yeah, there we
and
go.
motivational support so that science can still be done, even in the event of environmental, social, economic, or structural collapse. The portal will open and emergency testing will begin in 3, 2, 1.
There we go. There we go.
Cube and button-based testing remains an important tool for science, even in a dire emergency. If cube and button-based testing caused this emergency, don't worry. The odds of this happening twice are very slim.
Down we go. Meow. I might have to go PNG.
Relax.
That would probably help a lot.
And apply immediate pressure to your temples. You are simply experiencing a rare reaction in which the material emancipation grill may have emancipated the ear tubes inside your head.
Side. I'm remembering. Yes, Mary Ashmas, kiss my ash. That's what everyone says. Everyone is saying to kiss me, right? And that's what the entire thing is about, kissing my ash. So everyone's kissing me, right? Ah, good. Need to make sure. Oh, that's gay.
Good.
But I'm gay, so
Because
that's
of the
good.
technical difficulties we are currently
It is just in general gay to kiss me, because in our system we have like everything.
conclusion of testing. Please take a moment to write down the results of your test. An Aperture
So there.
integration associate will remind you for an interview when society has been rebuilt.
No matter what, you're gay. Ah.
If the
Wow.
Earth is currently governed
How's
by
you
some
doing?
Animal king, sentient cloud, or other governing body that either refuses to or is incapable of listening to reason.
Hey, you made it. There should be a portal device on. Oh!
Wee.
Hello? Can you see the portal gun? Also, are you alive? That's important. Should have asked that first. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to work on this.
That's cool.
Still alive, and I'm still waiting for you up ahead. I'll wait 1 hour, then I'll come back.
Wonderful. I have to say, I didn't look once at that puzzle. I was completely looking over at chat. I am proud of that fact.
Some emergency testing may require prolonged interaction with lethal military androids. Rest assured that all lethal military androids have been taught to read and provided with one copy of the Laws of Robotics to share.
No. Yeah, that makes sense.
If you feel that a lethal
Ah.
military android has not respected your rights as detailed in the Laws of Robotics, please note it on your self-reporting form. A future
Hello.
Aperture Science Entitlement Associate will initiate the appropriate grievance filing paperwork.
Splish, splash, 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 splish, splash. Okay, yeah. This is turning into a... I need to... go here. Go here. And I need to... Goodbye. We're doing some technical difficulties. We're doing some technical difficulties. Yes, double drumsticks, very good. No, not that one. There we go. We're doing it live. And that should work. There we go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. I am now here again, but done this way. And let's get back to it. Hopefully that helps clear things up.
Very dangerous. To help you remain
Double
active,
drumstick
the
plus
phase
stone ring
almost
equals stun
done.
everything.
Stun
Yes,
check.
good.
Redeploy in 3, 2, 1.
Oh wait. There we go. Thank you for the sweet jazz. Boop. Boop. Alright, no, I need another one.
Great work. Because this message is pre-recorded, any observations related to your performance are speculation on our part. Please disregard any undeserved compliments.
All the compliments for me are undeserved. I don't deserve compliments. What are you talking about? Game, you crazy. You know. Yeah, this makes things run much more smooth. Oh?
If the Enrichment Center is currently being bombarded with
How so?
fireballs, meteorites, or other objects from space, please avoid unsheltered testing areas wherever a lack of shelter from space debris does not appear to be a deliberate part of the test.
Boop. Come on. Come on now. Okay, yeah, I remember. There we go. So it turns out items like this don't particularly have high elemental resistance, but they made it so all mobs have a secret additional stat that applies solely to ranged elemental attacks. So they don't give enemies elemental resist, they specifically gave them spell attack resist. Wonderful.
Will remain functional in apocalyptic low-power environments of as few as 1.1 volts.
That is amazing. That is perfect. Oh,
This next test applies the principles of momentum to move.
oh wait, I forgot. There we go.
No longer apply in the future. God help you.
Alright. Go.
If you are a non-employee who has discovered this facility amid the ruins of civilization, welcome. And remember, testing is the future, And the future starts with you.
Kinky. Boop. Yeah, Dark Souls 2 is harder than it needs to be. For no reason. I love the game. Like, so much. I mean, you know what? Fair. Okay. Oh, right. Bonk. Hmm. How does hunt? Ah, there we go. Wee. Now boop. Meow. There we go. Oh, the crackling of the fire. Yep. That's the thing. It was made by a separate studio, I believe.
Good work getting this far, future starter. That said, if you are simple-minded, old, or irradiated in such a way that the future should not start with you, please return to your primitive tribe and send back someone better qualified for testing.
Oh, that's fair. Yeah. It's because those builds are generally like extremely strong for what they do, which isn't a bad thing. It's a very good thing. But they do try to make it a bit harder, and they try, and it's a way to like still have the builds be worthwhile, but nerf them as well,
Oh, brilliant!
which I find
Find
is
portal gun.
bullshit.
Do you know what? It just goes to show, people with brain damage are the real heroes in the end, aren't they? At the end of the day, brave. Okay, listen. Let me lay something on you here. It's pretty heavy. They told me never, never, ever to disengage myself from my management rail, or I would die. But we're out of options here, so get ready to catch me. All right, on the off chance that I'm not dead the moment I pop off this thing.
Yeah, all right.
On three. Ready?
3,
1,
2,
2,
1.
3. That's high. It's too high, isn't it? Really? That. All right. Going on 3 just gives you too much time to think about it. Let's go on 1 this time. Okay.
All
Ready?
right, all right. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Catch me, catch. Ow. Ow. I am not dead. I'm not dead. Plug me into that stick on the wall over there, yeah, and I'll show you something. You'll be impressed by this.
Oh, there's the stick.
Yeah, I can't do it if you're watching. Seriously, I'm not joking.
No.
You just turn around for a second. All right, you can turn around now.
Yeah, still watching.
Secret panel. I opened while your back was turned. Pick me up and
Fair.
no rail to tell us where to go. Oh, this is brilliant. We can go wherever we want. Just hold on. There.
Arcane is a real late bloomer. You struggle a lot before you get to the feel real power. That is fair.
No. Yes. Hello. No, we're not stopping. Don't make eye contact. Whatever you do. No. Thanks. We're good. Appreciate it. Keep moving. Keep moving.
Yeah, if they ever make Bloodborne like available on other systems and whatnot, like PC specifically, I would love to try. I would love to play it,
Speed on something right now.
and I would love to try so many random builds.
Through her
But I really want the stake. Do you want to try this stake driver?
if she's awake.
To be honest, it was available for PC for a while.
Okay, I'm gonna lay my cards on the table. I don't want to do it. I don't want to go in there. Don't go in there. She's off. She's off. Don't panic over. She's off. All fine. On we go. There she is. What a nasty piece of work she was. Honestly, like a proper maniac. Do you know who ended up?
Oh, fun.
taking her down in the end? You're not gonna believe this. A human. I know. I wouldn't have believed either. Apparently, this human escaped, and nobody's seen him since. Then there was a sort of long chunk of time where absolutely nothing happened. And then
Yeah, but that still requires the PlayStation thing, and I don't have that either. Sadly, I wasn't listening to where I was supposed to go. Now am I supposed to go all the way back here? Oh, yes. Duh.
Okay, down these stairs. Jump! Actually, look at it. Ah! Oh, still held. Still being held. That's a great job. You've applied the grit. We're all fine. That's... Ah! Sorry, I just looked down. I do not recommend it. Ah! I've just done it again.
Yeah.
This is the main breaker room. Look for a switch that says escape pod. All right, don't touch anything else. Not interested in anything else. Don't touch anything else. Don't even look at anything else. Just, well, obviously you've got to look at everything else to find the escape pod. But as soon as you look at something and it doesn't say escape pod, look at something else. Look at the next thing, all right? But don't touch anything else or look at anything. Well, look at other things, but don't. You understand? Can you see it anywhere? I can't see it anywhere. Tell you what.
It's that one
look
right up
here,
there.
and I'll
Right
turn
there.
the lights on.
It's right there. That one right there.
Let there be light.
It's that one.
That's God. It's quoting God. Oh, look at that. Turning. Ominous. But probably fine, as long as it doesn't start, moving up. Now. Escape pod. It's moving up. Okay. No, don't worry. I've got it. This should slow it down. No, makes it go faster.
No, it was that one. Smidge.
Power up initiated.
Okay, don't panic. All right, stop panicking. I can still stop this.
Yeah, that's fair.
Oh, there's a password. Okay, it's fine. I'll just hack it. Not a problem. Wait, did I do B? Did you have a pen? Start writing these down.
Power up complete.
I don't. Okay. Listen.
Start writing these down.
Act natural. You've done nothing wrong. Hello.
Oh, it's you.
You know her?
It's been a long time.
It has.
How have you been?
I've taken a long nap.
Really busy being dead. You know, after you murdered me.
You did what?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh.
No! Oh no! Ah!
Okay, look, we both said a lot of things that you're going to regret. But I think we can put our differences behind us. For science. You monster. I will say, though, that since you went to all the trouble of waking me up, you must really, really love to test. I love it too. There's just one small thing we need to take care of first.
IR monster. I got an achievement. IR monster. Wee. Doesn't make sense how I'm going down these, but wee.
Here we are, the incinerator room. Be careful not to trip over any parts of me that didn't get completely burned when you threw them down here. The dual
That's fair.
portal device should be around
Go
here
by.
somewhere. Once you find it, we can start testing, just like old times. There it is.
Mine.
Good. You have a dual portal device. There should be a way back to the testing area up ahead. Once testing starts, I'm required by protocol to keep interaction with you to a minimum. Luckily, we haven't started testing yet. This will be our only chance to talk. Do you know the biggest lesson I learned from what you did? I discovered I have a sort of black box quick save feature. In the event of a catastrophic failure, the last 2 minutes of your life are preserved for analysis. I was able, well, forced really, to relive you killing me again and again, forever.
No, that doesn't sound
If I
fun.
done that to somebody else, they might devote their existence to exacting revenge. Luckily, I'm a bigger person than that. I'm happy to put this all behind us and get back to work. After all,
Me through.
we've got a lot to do, and only 60 more years to do it. More or less. I don't have the actuarial tables in front of me. But the important thing is you're back, with me. And now I'm on to all your little tricks. So there's nothing to stop us from testing for the rest of your life. After that, who knows? I might take up a hobby.
No.
Reanimating the dead, maybe.
Reanimating the dead, maybe. I wonder why.
sorry about the mess. I've really let the place go since you killed me. By the way, thanks for that.
Sarcasm self-test complete.
Oh good, that's back online. I'll start getting everything else working while you perform this first simple test, which involves deadly lasers and how test subjects react when locked in a room with deadly lasers.
Kinky. Boop.
Not bad. I forgot how good you are at this. You should pace yourself, though. We have a lot of tests to do.
Nah, no pacing. Go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast, Sanic.
This next test involves discouragement redirection
Aw.
cubes. I just finished building them before you had your, well, episode. So now we'll both get to see how they work. There should be one in the corner.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
Well done. Here come the test results. You are a horrible person. That's what it says.
Yeah.
Horrible person. We want
You
to
do need
protect you.
to get that adaptability. That is the thing. The first levels is there's basically like a level up tax where you need to do
Don't let
adaptability.
that
It fucking
horrible
sucks.
person thing
It sucks.
discourage you. It's just a data point. If it makes you feel any better, science has now validated your birth mother's decision to abandon you on a doorstep.
Mm-hmm. Hmm. There we go. Go. Wait. Oh.
Congratulations.
I'm
Not
Dumby.
on the test. Most people emerge
Didn't
from
even realize the other one.
suspension terribly undernourished. I want to congratulate you on beating the odds and somehow managing to pack on a few pounds.
I'm being bullied. I'm being bullied. Make stop, please.
One moment. You are navigating these test chambers faster than I can build them, so feel free to slow down and
Nope.
do whatever it is you do when you're not destroying this facility. I'll give you credit. I guess you are listening to me. But for the record, you don't have to go that slowly.
Duh, I'm a dumby. You gotta press the button. Hit me. Ooh, that's a big fire. Ooh, that's a nice big fire. Oh, And it's multicolored. The boop.
Waddle over to the elevator and we'll continue the testing.
I wish to. Oh, I wanted to break it. I wanted to be a bad person. Oh, yeah. Adaptability is the bane of Dark Souls 2's existence. It was a bad decision. If it did more than just affect iframes,
This next test
or they
involves
move that
the
into
Computer
Dex,
Science Aerial Faceplate. It was part of an initiative to investigate how well test subjects could solve problems when they were catapulted into space. Results were highly informative. They could not. Good luck.
yeah. I mean, like,
Here's an
you could put that
interesting
sort of
fact.
stuff on
Your
Dex and then have like a lot more
Expensive to pump this side
defensive options. Like you get a lot more defense
out of a room
on strength.
and pump it back in.
So if you want to build like a tank, you go for
The rest of your
the strength build.
I
If you
thought
want to
that
go
was
for
interesting.
if you want to go for like the speedy dodge out of the way, you would go for the Dex. If they did it like that, I don't think the adaptability problem would be a thing because I mean,
Let's see what the
yes, I mean just like all around damage resist, but more.
Well,
Yeah.
fun soaring through the air without a care
Oh
in
yeah,
the
that is
world.
how it works.
I have to
Wow.
go to the wing that was made entirely of glass and pick up 15 acres of broken glass by myself.
Nope. There we go.
Oh, sorry. I'm still cleaning out the test chambers, so sometimes there's still trash in them, standing around, smelling and being useless. Try to avoid the garbage hurtling towards you. You don't have to test with the garbage. It's garbage. Press the button again.
Stop. There we go. Nice. Like the sniper mode. Parry is a good idea because that's one was tied to endurance. There was no reason to not pump it and wear the biggest, bulkiest armor. Agile Dex fighter. Yep. There we go.
Remember
Yeah, that's
before I
fair.
was talking about smelly garbage standing around being useless? That was a metaphor. I was actually talking about you. And I'm sorry. You didn't react at the time, so I was worried it sailed right over your head, which would have made this apology seem insane. That's why I had to call you garbage a second time just now.
Yeah. I can forgive it because Dark Souls 1 was like
Did you know that people with guilt
Demon Souls was a proof of concept. Dark Souls was putting that into
I'm sorry. I don't know why that went off. Anyway, just an interesting science fact.
yeah.
Oh, did I accidentally fizzle that before you could complete the test? I'm sorry. Go ahead and grab another one.
Wee, I can go through lasers without problems.
Oh, no. I fizzled that one too.
Yeah.
Oh well. We have warehouses full of the things. Absolutely worthless. I'm happy to get rid of them.
All right. Dum de dum de dum. Dum de dum de dum. All right, let's go. Here we go. Ah, boop.
Every test chamber is equipped with an emancipation grill at its exit, so that test subjects cannot smuggle test objects out of the test area. This one is broken. Don't take anything with you.
I'm gonna do it. Can't be stopped. Going back. Coming back for you, babe. Can't be stopped. Can't be told what to do. I'm a rebel. There we go.
I think that one was about to say, I love you. They are sentient, of course. We just have a lot of them.
Good. As long as I am loved. Ha.
This next test involves emancipation grills. Remember, I told you about them in the last test area that did not have one.
Yeah.
The turbines again. I have to go. Wait, this next test does require some explanation. Let me give you the fast version.
Oh.
There. If you have any questions, just remember what I said in slow motion. Test on your own recognizance. I'll be right back.
No. 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 That is wonderful. I love it when you can just break balance in games. Like, why is this a thing? Oh, because. Sounds good. Ew. Chapter 3, The Return. I want to join.
It's me!
Well, I'm back. The aerial faith plate in here is sending a distress signal. You broke it, didn't you? There. Try it now.
What happened, right? I was just lying there. You thought I was...
This plate must not be calibrated to someone of your generousness. I'll add a few zeros to the maximum weight. You look great, by the way. Very healthy. Try it now.
Bird, right? Couldn't believe it either.
You seem to have defeated its load
Oh.
bearing capacity. Well done. I'll just lower the ceiling.
There we go. We may never know what he was saying. All right. Need to do that one first. No. Go. Meow. And kaboom. And boop. Perfect. No, I need to do this first. Boop.
Look at you, sailing through the air majestically, like an eagle, piloting a blimp.
Like an eagle piloting a blimp. Oh, this game really gets me. Oh. Alright. Oh.
Enjoy this next test. I'm going to go to the surface. It's a beautiful day out. Yesterday I saw a deer. If you solve this next test, maybe I'll let you ride an elevator all the way up to the break room. And I'll tell you about the time I saw a deer again.
Eh. Wee. Right. No. Gimme. Yeah. Go. No. Boop. And a boop. There you go. Huh? Oh. Huh. Just go through that laser. Don't even worry about it. Look. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. Yoink. Ah, boop. It goes there. And I just gotta go back down a little bit because I forgot to grab that. No, forgot a step. But I get to bounce more, which is always fun. Oh. Bounce. Choose. Tree. Bang. Ooh, big fire.
Pass the test. I didn't see the deer today. I did see some humans. But with you here, I've got more test subjects than I'll ever need.
Ah, the fire's burning bright. Oh. I think this is probably gonna have to be the last test room.
These bridges are made from natural light that I pump in from the surface. If you rubbed your cheek on one, it would be like standing outside with the sun shining on your face. It would also set your hair on fire, so don't actually do it.
Oh. 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 Ah, boop. Ah, boop. Ah, boop. Give it to me, right on my face. There we go. Meow. I fucked it. Back we go. Now we do that. No, we do that. We do the clean one. I like how, like since this is still like the beginning, like teaching you how to do everything. They show you basically where to put things.
And these tests are your prey. Speaking of which, I was researching sharks for an upcoming
Like
Do you know
the
who
colored
these
ones, you can use
people
these
are
ones.
trying to help them?
These are the ones that they want you to use, like the
Because that's
the
wrong.
non-dirty
Correct
ones for
answer
like
is no
answers to
right.
the puzzles.
Nobody but
I
you
like
is
that.
pointlessly cruel.
All right. Oh.
Good news. I figured out what to do with all the money I save recycling your one room full of air. When you die, I'm going to laminate your skeleton and pose you in the lobby. That way future generations can learn from you how not to have your unfortunate bone structure.
That's rude. All right. But with that, that's going to be the end here. Thank you so much. The stream is going to be continuing on much longer, but I got to go get some food and get ready for going out. I'll be popping in and out of chat. But yeah. I got to dip for now. Got to get ready for a night out. All that. And I'm also going to upload this segment to YouTube, so you can watch this there if you miss this and you're just coming in at the tail end. You can always just have the fireplace on in the background still. But yeah, y'all are wonderful. I'm so thankful to have you. Thank you so much. Noah.